It is pouring down rain, and the ducks have access to clean, dry food, which is awesome. They mostly forage on the property, so it's just supplement, but still, it's all dry, and that makes me really happy. I love that little feeder I made. It works perfectly. Except, I should have put in a fourth PVC pipe. That's okay. They manage. They are so cute. They're staring at me like, why are you always taking videos of us? Because you guys are so cute. Let me see if they're gonna fly. Can they fly in the rain? I really don't know. Usually though, when they're done eating, they'll fly back to their pond. Y'all gonna fly? Nah, they're just being nosy, wondering what I'm doing with the camera. Well, okay. Actually, probably what they're gonna do is come over here and step onto the patio with me. They do that sometimes. Maybe they're gonna fly. I'll zoom out a little bit in case they do. I will say though, that so often they get camera shy and they'll end up walking down the hill when they see me here instead of flying. And I always want to try and get it on video. But no, they're gonna walk today. Alrighty. See you guys later. Enjoy your walk all the way back down to the ponds.